minutes, nice and neat. Tick tock, let's give that time a knock. From sunrise to the starry night, clocks help us get things right. The shorthand's slow, it tells the hour, like 8 in the morning or 5 in the shower. The longhand's quick, it counts the minutes. From 0 to 60, every line has digits. When it's pointing straight up, that's a clock. When it's halfway round, it's half past the clock. Quarter past and quarter to, we'll learn them all. Yes, me and you. Bells are tick tock, it's time to read the clock. Round it goes, don't miss a beat, with hours and minutes nice and neat. Tick tock, let's give that time a knock. From lunchtime fun to bedtime tight, clocks help us do things right. On digital clocks, numbers shine like 07 knuckle, it's wake up time. 12:30 means it's time to eat. 08:08 p.m. put up your feet. AM is day, we rise and play. PM is night, we rest and stay. Learning time is super cool, we use it every day in school. Let's play a game. What time is this? If it's 3 o'clock, give it a kiss. If it's 6:15, give a cheer. We're learning time all through the year. Bells are tick tock, it's time to read the clock. Big hand, little hand, what a pair, helping us be right everywhere. Tick tock, clocks around the block. Learning time, we've got the knack. High five friend, you've got the track.